Oh no! I should really go on a diet!
Did someone say diet?
Huh?
Here, let me help you.
What? Whoa, thanks, diet!
No problem. Now let's make sure you keep your diet to stay healthy.
That's easy.
Okay, Lily, we have to be one with nature.
How is being one with nature gonna make me lose weight?
Easy, really. If we eat what the earth provides, then we become as healthy as the earth.
Whatever you say.
Take this apple, for example. It came from the earth. See? Delicious.
I guess that's true. I guess by the same logic, you could eat the sleep.
Yeah, I guess.
Then eat it.
Okay. No!
Everything in nature is good for you, right?
Doesn't mean it tastes good. Yuck.
Come on, Diet. Can I have one late night snack, please?
No! Midnight snacks are the worst for your diet. Now go to sleep. Good night, Lily.
Pizza. Burgers. I need food. I need food. Pudding. I love my night snack.
Hey! Wake up, Lily!
Oh, what happened? Did I sleep out to the kitchen and grab this?
Yes, now give me that and go back to sleep.
Diet, do I have to eat any more strawberries?
But Lily, strawberries are good for you.
I can't take this anymore.
Wait, Lily!
I need sugar. Oh, I love Skittles. Huh? Peas? What'd you do?
I'm just making sure you don't eat any sugar.
Oh, please tell me to touch my Reese's. Oh no! What's this? Plastic wrapped?
You won't get through the plastic wrap.
Well, I know you didn't find my Nutella.
Your Nutella?
You didn't mess with this.
Give me that. I'm gonna make sure you don't get into this with these nails. First, grab a bunch of nails. With your hot glue gun, place glue on the nail. Then, place the nails on the lid. Now you can't get into your Nutella.
Not my Nutella. Ow!
Now go eat your strawberries.
I want to eat this with my strawberries.
No Nutella. We need to exercise to lose weight, Lily.
But I thought eating better was enough.
Of course not. Now do some push-ups.
1, 2.
Come on, Lily.
I can't do any more push-ups.
Then what about sit-ups?
Ooh, I can do sit-ups just like laying down. 1, 2.
Come on, Lily, a few more. Almost there, you got it.
No more.
Now let's do some jumping jacks. Come on, Lily. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2. Okay, I'm done. I'm taking a nap now.
Oh, Lily.
Ooh, I wonder if I lost any weight. Come on, Scale, show me something good. What? I haven't lost any weight.
That means we just have to keep working out. Come on, Lily, jumping jacks. Come on, do jumping jacks.
This salad is just so bland. I can't do this diet anymore.
Wait, please don't say that, Lily.
No, you've got to go.
No!
Huh, I wonder what happens now.
I guess that's where I come in.
What? Who are you?
I'm a fast food diet, and I know what you really want.
Chicken nuggets? I've missed them so much.
Then why not enjoy them?
Don't mind if I do. Wait, won't I gain weight again if I eat fast food?
No, of course not.
I will get fat again if I eat fast food. Get out of here.
Oh, man.
What did I miss?
I almost cheated on you, but I didn't.
Congrats! Now let's get you more salad.
Yay!
Ooh, there's something called a super carb diet online.
Super carbs. Can we try that diet?
I don't think it means what you think it means.
It means more carbs for me. Oh, I miss potatoes so much. What other carbs could I have? How do you lose weight on a super carb diet? I gained weight.
I don't think you're supposed to eat all carbs and not all at once either.
I'm sorry, diet. I should have listened better.
Now you have to start your diet all over again.
No! Diet, guess what today is?
What day is it?
It's the last day of my diet. Do you know what that means?
No?
Time to eat whatever I want. Oh no, don't do it! I can once again eat my chips. Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.